Rent-to-buy option, the next big thing, as our last resort. Well, rent-to-buy program is a totally separate program from getting ready to buy, R2B. The rent-to-buy program is an expansion project of SAM Global Capital. Well, exploring alternative pathways? In the event that you don't qualify for a traditional mortgage, the program offers an alternative option, the long-term rent-to-buy model. This pathway allows you to rent one of our properties for as long as you need, even if it takes you 12 years or 15 years, or even before you're ready to buy. This flexibility can be beneficial as it gives you time to improve your finances, continue building your credit, adjusting your lifestyle, and enhancing your financial stability. Leverage and family support. Family members who start earning an income during this period might be able to contribute. Increasing your eligibility for home ownership. That's one. Build equity over time. During the period, the property could appreciate its value. And when you're ready to buy, this capital gain can boost your equity, making it easier to qualify for a mortgage. Future flexibility and opportunity. Once you own the property, you could choose to sell it for a profit, upgrade to a different home, or use the equity for other financial goals. Rent to buy is more than a pathway to home ownership. It's a journey towards financial discipline, knowledge, and lasting stability. Terms and conditions applies, but the growth is yours to keep. So, if you've enjoyed this content so far, I encourage you to check out the next video. It will enhance your understanding and provide even more valuable insights. As you navigate the information in this video, which can seem overwhelming at times, we invite you to connect with us. Don't hesitate to reach out and ask as many questions as you like. Let's discuss how you can kickstart this journey for free and explore all the ways to build equity even while renting. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.